Pope Francis gave in to China's unilateral appointment of a new bishop in Shanghai, formally recognizing Beijing's installation of Bishop Shen Bin 3 months after the fact. A Vatican statement on Saturday said the Pope had named Bishop Joseph Shen Bin to head the vacant Shanghai diocese position. But Cardinal Pietro Pml-n, the Vatican's Secretary of State, said in a separate interview that it had not been consulted when Shen was moved to Shanghai from the Diocese of Haimen, in Jiangsu province. In comments to Vatican media explaining the Pope's decision, Pml-n said Francis approved Shen's appointment to allow the bishop to lead his flock and to heal the canonical irregularity created by Beijing's unilateral transfer in April, which he said occurred without the Holy See's involvement. The Pope had decided to approve Shen, for the greater good of the Shanghai diocese and because Shen was an esteemed pastor, Pml-n said in the interview. China and the Vatican have not had diplomatic relations since 1951, following the Communists' rise to power and the expulsion of foreign priests. The Vatican has sought in recent years to re-establish contact and reduce friction, particularly over the appointment of bishops.